Hello everybody, just got in a 77 El Camino delivered to me from North Carolina. We popped the hood up on it there to check it out. It still has engine and transmission and stuff in it. Got some headers on it. So that somebody's took the water pump and the alternator, radiator. Basically everything else is still here. And like so many of these older cars with the big hoods, if people did not keep the hood hinges lubricated, this is what would happen. It would break the hood right here. And that's what's happened on this one as well. As over the years, hood hinges got stiff. Somebody who owned it didn't lubricate the hood hinges. And that's what you get right there, a broken hood. But it is a basically complete car other than what you've seen missing from under the hood. Does have some rust in the quarters, but it's a 77 El Camino. It's got some rust down here. We'll open the door here, give you a view of the inside if I can get her open. Yeah. All the dash is still in it. Steering column, tilt steering column. Got a bunch of extra chrome. Or I wouldn't say extra, but chrome that goes on it. Looks like about all the chrome is here. Seat. Door panels, which they're not perfect, but hey, it's a 1977. But those door glasses right there are pretty hard to find. Give you a view of it here all the way around. We're just now fixed to unload it off the trailer. Bed bottom looks pretty good in it. Tailgate opens and closes because he just had it open, got the ramps out of it. Look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Heck yes. I love it. I love it. Get a view of her all the way around here before we get her unloaded. Bet somebody's had an antenna coming out and sticking up. Went up through here on right there. I don't think the windshield's even cracked. It's starting to turn a little in the corners, but I don't think it's cracked. But we're going to go ahead and get her unloaded off the trailer here. He's even brought him an air tank with him to air the flat tires up here. That front one's up, that one's up now. This back one's up, need a little in that front one right there. This man comes prepared when he brings me these cars. He brings everything with him. I love it. Just noticed it had some big old lights mounted up under the back here. That light's still there, and this one's still got a bracket. Guess he had some big extra brake lights or something rigged up there. We got dual exhaust. We'll get him in there and pump them brakes up, see if you got any kind of pedal. Not anything, we'll just ease you back here off the trailer. Just kind of steer clear of them vehicles over there.
Hit your brake.
Hit your brake, see if you got any. There we go. Heck yeah. Would you like to purchase this fine, previously loved automobile? Yes, sir. We can get you hooked up, brother. You look good in there.
Taking her home with me.
I've got to get a bunch of these El Caminos I've got lined up together. We got this one now. Up there is like a 83 or 4. We got a 71 El Camino sitting down here. We got a 66 El Camino back over there in the woods over there. There's also 3 78, 79 El Caminos over there. I went from just a few months ago not having an El Camino at all to now having all kinds of El Caminos. I've got one just about of every body style there now. Started in with like the 66, maybe a 64 I got over there. 64, 5, or 6 El Camino, starting from that all the way up through the 83s. Every body style of them now. If you guys like this kind of content, please go to my channel. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Ring that notification bell. Hope everybody's having a sensational day.